What is it?
Or I'm gonna shit myself. You can't interrupt a fat girl while she's eating.
That's just a biscuit and blueberry lemonade. And strawberry lemonade.
Yeah.
And more blueberry lemonade.
More blueberry lemonade, more strawberry lemonade. All right. Meatloaf. Fried chicken. Pork chops. Chicken and dumplings. Broccoli casserole, mashed potatoes, green beans, mac and cheese.
Sorry, can't take photographs.
No.
What?
That's construction.
Here's our cute little Airbnb. Airbnb 2226 Cruising Street. Oh, the air is on. Oh, it smells nice.
That's right, he did have their take your shoes off and stuff.
Don't mess with the feng shui or whatever.
The feng shui. Oh, it's adorable. Hey Siri, turn on the lights.
Were you being serious?
Oh, cute little bedrooms. Oh, they each have their own.
Oh, it's a memory foam.
Oh,
These are titties.
These are titties.
I
What's
like
wrong?
this.
oh, look at that. Oh my.
Lori, don't play with power at night.
Turning it off.
Oh, the luggage thing.
Yeah.
We'll take this.
Okay.
There's probably one in our room. What?
Oh, look at that. Oh. Yeah. Sorry.
Did you?
Paula Deen. Yeah.
Okay, this smells like rotten eggs in here.
It smells like
God.
what?
Rotten eggs. Oh my god. Is that open?
Paula Deen's kitchen, y'all. Butter. Oh.
Smells like some eggs.
I did have 6 boiled eggs yesterday.
Oh, that's probably what I'm smelling. Oh shit.
Oh gosh. So already had to blow up the toilet, and I'm trying to figure out if the paper won't go down. It goes out of the top of the tank, but it won't go down. It won't. Oh, wait a minute. No. It's still waving at me. Damn, I guess we're gonna have to throw this. I can't figure it out. Look, Michaela is over here passed out on the couch. And I mean, at least I opened the window. Oh God, what an ordeal just to take a dump. I mean, the water bill must be astronomical as many times as... Oh, what are you talking about? He said, try turning the water on. Well, I know, but I had a little bit more than paper. I had logs with it. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. We might have something now. Hell fucking no. I'm gonna put the damn paper in the fucking trash can. Yeah, I stuck my hand in the toilet and I'm scooping it up. I just don't know what to do. This is not sustainable. I mean, at least the turds went down, right? Look, it's just gurgling. I mean, the bathroom is adorable. It is absolutely adorable. But we got this going on here and this going on here. Now watch. When I... See, it's like it's not going. All that's gone. Let me see. Let me hold this little. Did you get the dump? I took a shit, yes.
Did it flush?
The turds went down, but I had to scoop the paper up and put it in the trash can. The paper wouldn't go down.
He needs back up.
Oh God.
This
All right,
one's it.
that one I did not use.
So you did not use the tingle formula?
Oh, because this had the... Because the one I used didn't have the little paper on it.
Oh, look at you.
A tingle formula.
You've got to try it.
What's the difference?
Aaron.
Do you want the tingle formula?
I put no tingling shit on my balls.
Tingle formula.
Wait, is it? What is it?
It's
It's
powder.
body powder.
Oh, I thought that was balls.
I mean,
Anti-chafe.
Well,
that's what body powder is. It's-
Oh.
I mean, I
Not-
put that one down in between my pelotas.
At least you didn't use the tingle.
I didn't, yeah, because I'd have said, have y'all ever used Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap? You want to be talking about lit on fire.
No, it's a no. Guys, it's gonna overflow.
All right, we need to let it sit for a second.
Oh no.
It's like this far from the top.
Michaela released the Kraken.
I did not.
What did you do, Michaela?
I didn't do shit. Y'all were in there before I was. Hey, you took a big nasty one. And I just remember I said, you must have clogged the toilet, that's why the paper wouldn't go down. You're like, no. I just want to scoop out the toilet paper.
Oh my God, what is that thing? A trolley. Hey. Hi. Oh, he's talking.
Then you're waving at everybody on the side of the road.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste.
Wave, I have 1 million followers.
Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta unprice for y'all. Snake guys with dice for y'all.
But first,
Some ice for y'all. A6 all day.
we gotta go to the Apple Store.
Got lost in the ball and eggs. I'm flipping the balls and flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. gonna